I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by giving the phone permission to be controlled, enable developer options, and turn on USB debugging. Install the chosen remote control app on both your device and the target phone, then sign into the same account so they authenticate. Once done, make sure both devices share a stable Wi-Fi network or use a direct cable. Low battery interrupts sessions, so plug in or confirm at least 20%. This fast setup gets you past permissions and connectivity, so you can start the pairing process immediately. Now you pair the devices using the method the app supports. Scan the QR, enter the one-time code, or accept a Bluetooth prompt on the phone you're controlling. As you connect, choose the exact permissions you need, full input for hands-on control, view only if you must monitor, or enable file transfer separately. This minimizes risk. Make sure encryption is active and set a sensible session timeout. Once paired, check access logs and confirmations so you understand who can do what and why. You can now control the phone, navigate the interface, install or update apps, transfer files, or run diagnostics as needed. When finished, end the session from your app, then revoke granted permissions and remove the pairing on the phone to close access. If something goes wrong, first restart both devices and try reconnecting. Next, reinstall the remote app and verify firewall or USB settings block nothing. If problems persist, recheck developer options and the account authentication to restore a clean, working setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.